It's hard to believe we're more than halfway through the first quarter of 2017. There's a lot happening both in the markets and the economy. I'd like to take just a few minutes and highlight some of the milestones we've experienced and things we're watching in 2017. Our outlook. So for milestones, there have been several. The Dow's first ever close above 20,000 that drew a lot of media attention, but it was actually the NASDAQ, which as of mid-February made all-time highs on 7 consecutive days. First time that's happened since late 1999. When we look at some of the key drivers of recent positive performance, we remain optimistic. At the same time, we're closely watching a variety of data and important events that could impact your portfolio. Oil prices appear to have stabilized and company earnings are improving. It appears the earnings recession is over. Technology and financials have led the way with strong performance in the fourth quarter. We're also encouraged by recent U.S. economic data pointing to improving growth. Sentiment reports on services and manufacturing sectors and employment were all better than expected. Important to note, in the midst of this positive news, one important data point failed to meet expectations: GDP. In January, it showed the economy grew 1.9% over the quarter, slower than the 3.5% in the third quarter. Remember, GDP looks backward, and economic activity has picked up recently. We certainly continue to watch this important metric. Expectations for GDP in 2017, 2.5%. At the first policy meeting of 2017, the Federal Reserve made no changes to interest rates. The expectation from LPL Research is the Fed will raise rates 2 to 3 times in 2017. We will keep watching and listening. Our portfolios are positioned to benefit from these trends while maintaining a long-term strategy that's consistent with your financial plan. There is much positive news, still there are risks. A policy mistake by a government or central bank, Brexit, China's debt problems, and above-average stock valuations. These may present challenges for us in 2017. If you missed our Outlook 2017 presentation in February, we have an excellent resource that recaps some of the important topics and more. If you'd like to have a copy, please call the office or respond to this email and we'll be glad to send one to you. It's very informative. We appreciate the opportunity to continue to serve as your financial advisor. It is the planning over time that helps our clients make progress toward their goals, progress toward your goals. Please let us know what questions you may have and how we can help. Thank you for taking time to listen in today.